Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we will talk about how we can improve our performance by stopping startup apps that are of no use or you do not want to see them, but despite that, these applications keep on appearing whenever you start your Macintosh. So what we're going to do, we're going to change some settings that will stop those applications to start whenever we start our Macintosh. Now before we go further, I would request you to consider subscribing to this channel as we keep on bringing productivity videos that going to make a real time impact in your day-to-day life. Now coming back to our topic, how we can control or stop startup application as we start our Macintosh. For that, simply you need to click here on this Apple logo and then you need to go to system settings. So in previous version the layout was different, therefore the options got slightly changed. So we need to click here on general. Now here we need to find login items and there we go. So here we can define what application should open when we log in. So I can see here Adobe Premiere Pro, which automatically get opened up whenever I start my Macintosh, but this is really I do not want, so I can actually remove this application. But let's say you want some application or any folder to get started as soon as you boot your Macintosh. For that, what we can do, we need to simply click on this plus button. Not only that, you can only open any application, but you can also run a video or maybe a picture or whatever you want, or maybe a document. So based on your need, you can also define the item that you would like to open. For that, we simply need to select that item and then we need to click on open, and that's all. So next time whenever I will boot, I will see m2.psd file will open automatically whenever I start my Macintosh. So in this way guys, we can define startup application. For the time being, let me quickly remove it. Also, not only you can define the startup application, but you also would like to control these applications that runs in your background and make your Macintosh slow. So here, let's say for example, I do not want Microsoft Teams to start automatically. So what can I do? I can turn it off. And here it is asking me for password. So let me quickly enter my password. And there we go. Now one more application that I do not want to get self-started is TeamViewer. This is one of my important drivers. I'm gonna keep it as it is. And maybe this Google Updater, Microsoft OneDrive, and then this Microsoft Corporation. So in this way guys, we can control, add or stop any application from starting itself. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.